New Mercer sling. New cotton Balearic sling, waxed Dyneema tassel. Feels pretty good. This is last year's Sith sling. It's very nicely done. First time using it. Crack's good. Now for my polysteel Balearic. It's really nice material, this. It's very tough, very easy to braid with fibre wise. Big rocks. That's what this sling's made for. Terrible shape though. It's triangular. It's twisted well. See if I can get rid of this without it being a massive early release again. Pretty good. Boulder sling in. This is the sling that I used at Ibiza this year, 2023. Served me quite well. It's okay for distance, it's a little bit short. This is a wool Peruvian sling. It's got a jute core, so there's basically no stretch on it. It's quite nice. I just finished this one before Ibiza, I haven't used it much. Got a very early release. Very early. Try again with this one. Terrible rock. It's much better. Yeah, you gotta hold on to it. No, it's going straight. This is a fairly original design. It's kind of like an Apache, but with paracord. This is just sewed and whipped together, and I've put some webbing on there. So the first throw with this, no idea how it's going to react. Seems pretty decent. Try out something big. That's a job. Not bad. This one for me is a very good range sling. It's quite lightweight. I believe it's about 40 inches, 1 meter. Let's see what we can do. Nearly fell over again.